Using Affirm on Walmart in-store is a convenient way to split your purchases into manageable payments. To get started, you will need to download the Affirm app and create an account. Once you have an account, you can browse Walmart's products online or in-store and add items to your shopping cart. When you are ready to check out, let the cashier know that you would like to use Affirm as your payment method. They will then ask for your phone number to look up your Affirm account. You will receive a verification code on your phone that you will need to provide to the cashier. After verifying your account, the cashier will ask you to select your payment plan. Affirm offers a range of payment plans, including 3, 6, or 12 months. Choose the plan that works best for you and confirm your payment method. Once you have selected your payment plan, the cashier will process your payment and you will receive a confirmation email from Affirm. You can then take your purchases home and start making payments according to your chosen plan. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. You can make payments online or through the Affirm app. If you have any issues with your payment plan or need to make any changes, you can contact Affirm's customer support team for assistance. Using Affirm on Walmart in-store is a great way to shop now and pay later. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of your payment plan before making a purchase, and to make timely payments to avoid any fees. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of using Affirm on Walmart in-store and take control of your finances.